Hi, welcome to Model Marvels. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Here we have the Fengda FD-186 compressor. Now, we have been using a large garage compressor for years and years, and it's great, but it's pretty much deafening. There's no way you can have a conversation over it. So if you're only after something to use inside or sort of occasional hobby use rather than all day every day, you can highly recommend this unit. It's ever so quiet. This is the unit running. It's got a moisture trap, it's adjustable, and it will obviously cut out when the tank reaches pressure. I'm probably not going to let it get up to pressure because I'm going to have a little play now. Obviously there's nothing in there. Standard controls: lift up, turn, push down to make adjustments. Yeah, and I have to say, after using it for several weeks, it's a great little compressor. The only thing to bear in mind, I would say, is the top of the motor can get hot when you're doing a lot of spraying. When I say a lot of spraying, I'm saying something along the lines of sort of the big Voyager primary hull or a Lexan car body, just because you're using so much air and it's quite a small tank. Let's shut that off. But yeah, just to show you how quiet the thing is, if you didn't mind having sort of overdrift spray everywhere, you could easily use it inside. So that's our recommendation from us. We'll put a Amazon link down in the description for it. Again, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.